Hello and welcome to our other video. So in this video we're going to show you how the system looks like on the mobile phone. So as we said, the system is 100% responsive to the mobile phone, meaning that anything that you're able to do with the computer, you can still do it with your phone on this particular system. Let's say that you don't have a computer at all, still you are able to do everything in this system as long as you have a smartphone that can connect to internet. Everything, I repeat, everything. So I'm going to show you how you can do some things using the mobile phone. Let's say that you're at home and you don't have your computer with you, and you want to change something, or you want to change something, or you want to add something in the system. How do you do it? So this is my phone. It's already open there. Maybe I can zoom a little bit so you can be able to see things clearly. But it's my phone, Samsung phone. So I can click on Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is a web browser. You can use a Firefox, you can use whatever browser that you use, all right? So this is my browser. So I can go ahead and enter here my domain, all right? So this domain will be provided to you by us, how you can access your system. So I can go ahead and enter, for example, school. Sorry about that. I can go ahead and enter my domain, my link by saying it is school.schooltech.com. So when I press enter, the system will go ahead and load for me the system. So I don't need to have, actually I don't need, let me log out a little bit and show you. I don't need to have a computer to use this system. I can do anything with this system as long as I have a smartphone or something that can connect to internet. So it is responsive. So this is how you look at, this is how the system looks like on the mobile phone. So let me go ahead and enter here my logins so I can be able to proceed. So I can put my logins there and click on login to process. So this is how the system looks. Sorry, the page has expired. Just simply click on here and then click enter. Then to go ahead and take it to the login page, to the system dashboard. All right, so this is how the system looks like on the mobile phone. I'm just zooming so you can see things clearly. That's how it looks like. So everything that we have on the web portal, we're able to access it responsively on the mobile phone, and things still looks more neat and clear. So you have your menu here. So if I want to get the menu, how do I get the menu? So the menu will always be here. So if I want to get the menu, if you still remember our icon here, it helps to collapse and expand the menu. Everything, you can refresh the page, the icon is there. You can change your password, you can update or log out from there. So here you have access to your menu by clicking here. So that is very important. Don't say that you failed to get the menu. You failed to get the menu on your mobile phone when you're using the mobile phone. So just simply click there. You'll be able to see the entire menu where you can perform all the operations that you might need. So you can scroll, or you can just simply tap on it to scroll. You can scroll down to see all the menu. So let's say you want to access the students. So I can just simply come here to Student Center, click on Active Student. The system will load for me everything and show it to me on the other side. So if I want to focus, I can just simply go ahead and collapse the menu so I can focus on a specific student. So the table will be responsive and will be having the data like this. So if I want to scroll to the other side, you just simply scroll to left and scroll to right to see everything. For instance, for example, actions, I can just simply scroll to right and then I can be able to see actions. And this is how the action looks like on the mobile phone. So if I want to access filters, a filter, because the word filter is too big, so we collapse it into an icon of filters. So if I want to filter, just simply click here and then you'll have all your form for filter, right? You can be able to do all your filters and then click on search to apply the filter, all right? So I hope you can see that. So that is how you access the filter. The filter, you access it from here. You can toggle it using here. The search is there clearly. And then if you want to add a new item, a plus will be there in a green color. A plus will be there in a green color where you can click and then to give you a form. All right, a form. If you have to navigate through these tabs, still you can be able to see them. You can be able to navigate through different tabs. If I want to go back, the list will change to an icon. So if I click here back, it will take me back to to the main content of that table. I want to export, the export icon, the export one will change to an icon. You can see it like there. And then I want to see specific columns. likewise here it will show specific columns. So, and the pagination, etc, all of it is down there. I can go to different page, I can change the per page. So I can literally do anything with a mobile phone with this system, even without touching a computer. So every operation that I save here, it updates the online server and the entire system gets updates. So in simple terms, you can use your mobile phone as well to navigate. So those are the basic navigation that you may need to know about the mobile phone. So you can be able to use the mobile phone, you can be able to use the system on the what? On the mobile phone. Alright, that's it. So let's meet in the next video. In the next video, we shall look at the system configuration, and then we start doing some things on the what? On the system. Alright, see you in the next video.